India is regarded as a country with demographic dividend. We all know that the normally three types of pyramids are there. One, this is the population explosion. When it is a very underdeveloped economy, then India is currently, although it has surpassed UK in terms of the economy structure, but basically it has a bell-shaped structure where this portion, this working population up till 60 to 65 years, from 19 to 65 years, this is bulging, this is burgeoning. So this population contributes a large portion to the demographic dividend. Demographic dividend is by basically the potential of the population to cause economic development in a society. So this, it's high population in the age group below 15 years. This is not wrong. This is wrong. It's high population in the age group of 15 to 65. So you can easily come to the solution. This is a straightforward question. So this I have drawn also. You can see that this section from the 15, this is the 15 to 64. So this complete section, you can see, if you this complete the 100% is the male side, female side, so this contributes a large part of the demographic dividend. So I have given the definition also. Then a state in India has the following characteristics. Northern part is arid and semi-arid. Central part produces cotton. Cultivation of cash crops is from predominant over food crops. So the answer for that, obviously, northern part, if you have to link this with the climatic phenomena. Normally the arid parts are towards the northwestern, that is the Rajasthan and Gujarat, and the northern part of Gujarat is normally this run of Kutch, the salty desert, and it is it is part, basically we have more or less indirectly come to the correct option. Karnataka is not there, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, so we directly, so Gujarat is the mostly dry and has desert in the northwestern part of the state. And these are some stats. 30% of total, because of the influence of the black soil, and the soil is conducive. Some lower parts of Gujarat also, or northern parts, they have soil conducive for the growth or the cultivation of cotton.